Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to take a look at the Forex market wrap. We're going to highlight the news this week and the key charts that we've looked over in some of the videos and in the week ahead analysis video. Going over some of the news then, so pound saw an increase in CPI or inflationary data once again. So the year on year has risen to 6.2%. This was forecasted and we did see a little bit of a positive move from the pound earlier in the week, but that has since turned around. But yeah, another positive inflation rate showing that globally as well, inflation's still on the rise. So the Bank of England are more than likely to continue to hike rates in the near future. We did have Fed Chairman Powell speaking as well. He also outlined that the Federal Reserve are ready to continue to hike interest rates as well, which the dollar has taken positively as well as the stock markets. In other news, we've had the German flash manufacturing PMI and services PMI that came out as more positive as well. So another increase for manufacturing PMI from recent times. Going on to the US dollar index then, it looks like we're getting a nice inside bullish week, and that could suggest that we are going to see potentially another impulsive phase to come. We were looking at it last week, looking at where the price would react to this area in here around about 98.40. We did see a slight reaction in terms of price broke above it, retested it, and is reacting to that area as support at the moment. So we could see a little bit of a move to the upside. Overall, the price of the market, despite it looking bullish on the weekly time frame, we've pretty much remained within a tight trading range again, and what we could be looking for is price breaks above this weekly high, then we could potentially look for another impulsive phase to come from the market. Pound then, so pound, we were interested in pound if it could remain above 132. That was the key level for us going into this week. Inflation data came out, pound rose, broke through that 132 level. It was looking quite likely at that point that we could see a continuation to the upside, because as well as the price trading above 132, we had a really good sort of inverse head and shoulders pattern forming and a neckline being produced at that 132 level. But instead, price has sunk back within, and we're not trading into new lows yet. That would be if price could potentially take out this 131 area. So there could still be some scope for price to move back to the upside, but I think that's all going to depend on what the dollar does next. Going on to silver then, so silver again looking at the potential for a seasonal sort of shorts here on silver. We was watching this previous high in here to see if any sellers would remain in the market. We did get a sort of an early retest in the week. Price did trade back down to these swing lows, but since then we've now traded higher and broken back above this high. I think if price trades above the sort of neckline, this ascending neckline, if price trades back above that, I think we're actually going to see maybe a spike higher in the price of silver. Finally then, the S&P, we were looking for longs on the S&P this week, basically because stock markets rebounded from these key major lows, looking to see if we can extend back to the all-time highs now, and we can see here on the 4-hour time frame, first area we were watching was this demand zone in here. However, price didn't make it back, and instead we actually formed a new high. Price did come back down to this demand zone, found support, and did move higher from that area. So although we didn't get this initial retest of the zone we pointed out in the week ahead analysis video, it did come and retest another demand zone on its way to the upside. Now price has made that new high as well. We can start looking for other demand zones to come into play, perhaps this one just through here. So I hope you enjoyed the video content this week. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to watch some more Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.